In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change all page numbers automatically in Canva. If you are building a report, workbook, or presentation, clean, consistent page numbers save time and make your design feel polished. I'll walk you through adding dynamic page numbers, formatting them the way you want, and applying those settings across your entire project in just a few clicks. Start by opening your project in Canva. On the left-hand side, click Text. In the text panel, look for the dynamic text section and choose page numbers. This isn't just regular text, it's dynamic, which means it updates automatically as you add, remove, or rearrange pages. Place the page number where you want it on your design, commonly at the bottom corners or centered in the footer, depending on your style. Now let's format one page to get the look right. Click directly on the page number you just added. You'll see options for the format, such as numbers only, page plus number, or page X of Y. Choose the style that best fits your document. Numbers only is minimal and clean. With your format selected, open the formatting toolbar to customize the appearance. You can change the font to match your brand, adjust the size for readability, and set a color that contrasts well with your background. If your design has photos or colored blocks near the footer, consider a bolder weight or a subtle shadow for visibility. Use alignment tools to snap the number to the exact position you want, left, right, or center, and keep a small margin from the edge so it doesn't look cramped or get cut off when printed. Consistency is key here, so take a moment to get the spacing and placement just right. Once that single page looks perfect, apply those settings everywhere. In the toolbar, click Apply Properties to all pages. Instantly, Canva will update the font, size, color, and position of the page numbers across your entire project, keeping everything uniform. If something looks off on a particular page, maybe a dark background clashes, tweak the original styling and use the same Apply to All option again. And remember, because these are dynamic, the numbers will automatically adjust if you shuffle pages or add new ones. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.